Alright, this tutorial is going to be showing you how to add a property to Google Search Console and then give administrative rights to another user. So, as you can see, there's already a couple websites here that are verified and one website here that is not verified yet. So what we will do is we will go to add a property, and on this we will want to take a website that we want to. So I'm just going to use some test website I made a little while ago. Take that URL and paste it in right there. We're then going to add that property. When you do that, it will come down to a recommended method and an alternate method. So one recommended is to do an HTML file upload. And so you can take that in and put that on your site if you like, or you can choose alternate methods. I would say probably one of the easiest way to verify your domain is to use Google Analytics if you have the correct administrative rights with that. You have to have the edit properties to be able to use that. If you just have the read and analyze, you will not be able to use Google Analytics, and you'll have to use another form or have someone else give you permissions. So use Google Analytics. And as it says, you have to have the tracking code inside the correct locations on the site. So then you can hit verify. Now, as you can see, the verification code is in the wrong location. So if this happens, you may need to go in and check to see where the code was put on the website. So I'm going to go in and check right now. So by looking at the source code here on the Jimdo site, what Jimdo will automatically do, and I guess, I don't know why they do this, but they put it inside the footer section, as you can see, actually below the footer even, which is not an appropriate location to put your analytics tracking code. Your analytics tracking code should always be up in the header section of your page. Otherwise, the page loading time, for example, will not be very accurate. Alright, so now we have put it in the correct head section, so now let's click verify again. And congratulations, you have now successfully verified the ownership of this site. So now that you come into here, what you will want to do is to look for the share. So inside the settings cog in the top right, that comes to users and property owners. So I'll go there. Now, as you can see, this is my email address for this. So I want to add a new user and then enter in whatever email address you want to. So for this, I'll add in my other address. And click add. And so this account isn't actually associated with a Google account, so it'd be best to add an actual Gmail account on there. So when you add a Gmail account, it will work. So that is how you add a person to Google Search Console.